One bike, one heart, one journey to redefine the world. They say the road isn't just a path. It's a journey into the soul. From the golden deserts of Oman to the sacred streets of Makkah and Al-Aqsa, across 9 countries and countless untold stories. This is more than a solo journey. It's a testament to courage, culture, and the unbreakable spirit of chasing a dream. Because the world isn't just meant to be seen, it's meant to be lived. So I will live it, and you all will see it. This will be our Middle East tour, a journey which is close to my heart.